let's rock out what I got, okay? Hey girl, hey, it's Lil Kardashian and welcome back to my channel. You guys, I did this really pretty bronzy look while listening to the whole entire Queen album that Nicki Minaj just released like 2-3 days ago. 2 thumbs up, 10 stars, 5 out of 5, like the highest rating ever. I love this album. I did tell you guys at the end of the video that I was going to tell you guys my top 5, but I just forgot to. Number 1 is Barbie Dreams. I think that's everybody else's favorite song on this too. Number 2 is Miami. Number 3 is LLC. Number 4 is Good Form. And number 5 is probably her song with Sway Lee called Chun Sway. Y'all, it's so hard making a top 5 because I really like all of these songs. Like, maybe like 1, 2, I think about 4 of them out of the album. They're not my favorite. Like, I wouldn't listen to them all day, every day. But I would definitely, like, bump the entire album, if that makes sense. So, yeah. You guys go check that out. I wish I was being sponsored, girl. You guys, stay tuned for this look. Get ready with me, because this is a get ready with me. And, yeah, don't forget to subscribe. Stay tuned to see this look. Okay, so, in honor of Nicki releasing her Queen album, I believe it was like 2 days ago now, or maybe 3 days ago. Girl, it feels like she just released the dang on album yesterday because I've been bumping it ever since, okay? So I thought it would be fun to do my makeup, listen to the album. You know, my videos can't be monetized anyway because I'm not 1,000 subscribers or more. So we're gonna get cute and listen to the album. Okay, y'all, so I'm not doing a Nicki Minaj Queen inspired look, but because we're gonna do our makeup and listen to the album or whatever, I'm just like really excited because y'all, this album is lit. Like, this album is so fire. I think I'm just gonna do like a bronzy look. I'm gonna include some oranges and some brown. If you guys have seen her album cover, I'm just gonna play a song. Well, we're gonna go in order with the song list. She has 19 songs. I was gonna say we may not get to it through the whole look, but y'all know how long it takes me to do my makeup? We're going to get through this album. So those are the colors of her album. And the first song is called Ganja Burn. So let's get into it. I may do a voiceover. And of course, I'm going to include the products in my description bar because like a good YouTuber, I've been doing that lately. So yeah. This is my favorite song on the album, y'all. This is number 1, but this is probably like everybody's favorite song. So I'm gonna give y'all my top 5, but this is number 1. I'm looking for a nigga to give some babies, a handful of Weezy, sprinkle of Dave E. He go and make sure Karuchi okay though. I heard she think I'm trying to get a coochie to Quavo. Everybody ain't closing these bitches losing, using up my bitch moving. No, I ain't studying, no, I ain't roving. Damn, a bitch snoozing. When I learn this, it's over. Cause this reminds me of Itty Bitty Piggy so much. That's the same song, y'all. She just added like an extra part to it. Yo, hey yo. I know what these niggas like, and it ain't my charm. I ain't stupid, this 250 on my arm. I like money more than tick, nigga, that's a fact. You think pussy's
everything, well, let's have a chat. Then the gifts like if it's Christmas. He say, baby, every day we ballin', I say swish, swish.
Ain't no such a thing as broken handsome. If you broke, we tellin'. If you broke, we tellin'. If you let that broke, we tellin'. If you let that broke, we tellin'. For the back straight. I think this is my top 5. I like a lot of songs on this album. Everybody trying to win me. Me, Olivier, Jordan, done my baby win me. Party in the Paris, these bitches is embarrassed, cause they know. Get your name on it. That's my song. Get your name on it. Got a kiss. Get your name on it. Get your name on it. Strawberry lingerie. Waiting for you, strawberries lingerie. You told me you want away. Mess around, put it down on you. I thought I knew you. I guess I didn't. I thought I knew you. Play the victim every time too. That shit came back and hit you too. I thought I knew you. What you doing? Don't be stupid, I'm the realest, but you know, yeah, I'm the truest. Trusting nobody. Who am I to deny? Yeah, you say, who am I to run and hide? If young Metro don't trust you, I'm gonna shoot you. While I'm in the spot, every girl call me like a shark. They won't doubt. Who the fuck gon' pull up in your city looking every bit of pretty with the itty bitty titty bitch crew? Who the fuck gon' beat him with the 22 if he don't lose the attitude and run off with his credit cards too? Yeah, just to take a picture, I go raise the bar. Shout out Giovanni. Look like I'm going for a swim. Dunk on him, now I'm swinging off the rim. Bitch ain't coming off the bench, while I'm coming off the court fully drenched. Here goes some hater rain, get your thirst quenched. Style doing them in this Burberry trench. These birds copy every word, every inch. But gang got the hammer and the wrench. I just took her name and made that bitch a LLC. Stuff a couple stacks up in there, bitch, get on your feet. You make twice as much if you switch it up just to see. To you, he's rich and famous, but he's just a guy to me. I feel like I'm King Kong. Name still going ding dong. Word the shouty, hello. If y'all could only see the blend. Like, I am killing this. This is one of my faves too.
Hola, okay, hola. You see a bad bitch coming through, yo, what's the hola? I'm in that new me and new when I roll up. I told her valet, park my Benz and bring the rosa. Tag. I tell him eat the cookie cause it's good form. And when he eat the cookie, he got good form. He know I don't never cheat because I'm good for him. My God, to have his baby nurses yelling push for him.
I forgot lashes. I don't know how I forgot lashes. And that's like one of my favorite parts. But I'm gonna go get my lashes or whatever, and then we're gonna start on the face because we are done with the eyes. So I'm not really talking y'all through anything, but because I do have the music paused, I'm using my MAC Strobe Cream and my L'Oreal Infallible Pro Matte. I'm gonna mix these together, and that's gonna be my foundation. Concealer. If you don't watch my videos, then you don't know what concealer I'm using, so I'm not telling you. Start watching my videos. Let's get back to this playlist.
I'm up to switch up on you. Snip, snip, hit that nip tuck on you. Ring, never pick up on you. I'm up to switch up on you. Snip, snip, hit that nip tuck on you. Let go, time to give up on you. Way too much, too little, yeah, too late. Way too much, too little, yeah, too late. Way too much, too little, yeah, too late. Way too much, too little, yeah, too late.
This may be on my list, but if I'm gonna do a top 5, then it's not on my list.
Come see about me. Come see about me. Come see about me. Won't hurt just to see what we could be. So come see about me. They say it's all what you make it. Maybe it's all in the making. No, headline. contour, sir, with the band, sir. I ain't pressed, sir, over a band, sir. Get her a ticket, sir, she's a fan, sir. Can't keep her man off my Instagram, sir. New slaves, but I'm still the master. I wouldn't, but I took a chance, sir.
On the gas, sir, on the gas, sir. Spurs and cash, sir, blowing cash, sir.
Got the Lolo on them perks, Lolo on them zannies. Niggas know my bitch is petty, I ain't talking money. Pull up with a lot of bodies, don't forget the addies. When I run up in the town, I ain't chitty chatty. Got some real pretty titties that come with the fatty. Too much money, I ain't never need a sugar daddy. I'm the belle of the ball, you can call me Patty.
Hey, yo, Sean. Hey, yo, Sean.
Mía la coco, yeah la coco. Ellos quieren coco, y yo tampoco. Never trust a broco, don't fuck with coco. Número uno, me llama Yoko. Illest to ever do it, tell them they recognize. When the cat tell them they free up vibes. They call me Miss Bitch, but I don't miss bitch.
They call me Miss Bitch, but I don't miss bitch. Like, what? What? And this is crazy. Even though it sounds just like Coco Chanel, right? So that's why I didn't get it. Because it's the same song, but she calls it inspiration. So, like, I don't get it. So I was going to replay my top 2 favorite songs, but YouTube decided to put a 10-strike copyright claim on this video once I uploaded it. I guess I was playing Nicki too much, you guys. Anyways, here's a voiceover. For highlighter, I went in with the Jackie Aina and Artist Couture collab in the color LeBronze. I also put the lightest gold color in the Desi Katy palette on the inner corners of my eyes. It just gave it a pop to the look. And then because the lower lash line was so plain, I added this orangey brown color from my Coastal Scents, you know, my little thing that I'm showing you right here. I just put that on the lower lash line. I wanted to talk to you guys about the lips in honor of Nicki's album. I am going in with Nicki's Nude. This is her recent collaboration with MAC Cosmetics. Yeah, lips is the final steps, and then we'll be done. I keep doing... I don't know where that came from, y'all. I don't know. To line the lips, I used my favorite brown lip liner called K by Colourpop. And to go on top of the lipstick, I went in with this really pretty bronzy gold lip gloss called Contessa, and that's by Colourpop as well. I did that to complete the look. I hope you guys really just enjoyed watching this video, singing her songs along with me. Maybe you got ready the same time you were watching this video, which is, girl, the best part. But yeah, I'm obsessed with this look as always. It came out really, really cute. Finally used the Desi Katy, the girls palette on camera. You're rude. But yeah, I think Nick will be really proud of this look. Gotta figure out somewhere to go because I don't want to sit in the house looking this cute. I hope you guys subscribe to my channel, like my videos, like this video, watch my other videos, and of course come back for more. I upload every Wednesday. Well, at least I try to upload every Wednesday, but sometimes it be like every other Wednesday. But y'all, I'm getting these videos out, okay? Just stay subscribed. I hope you guys love my videos, and I'm Lil Kardashian. I'll see you girls soon in a new one. Bye.